Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll share some tips and basic exercises that we should do on a daily basis, which will help improve line quality in our drawings and sketches. Let's start. Number 1 is practice drawing straight lines. This is how you can do it. Just use a pencil and very confidently you have to draw these straight lines. Make sure you are making these fast enough. Next thing you can do is make 2 points, join them, and this also has to be done quickly. It's okay if you are not able to do it correctly, but still make sure you're doing it fast. You can practice these in your rough sheets or rough copies whenever you get time. Number 2 is practice simple shapes. Practice drawing simple shapes like circles, rectangles, squares, triangles. Again, these also have to be done very quickly. Next, practice different ways of holding your pencil, that is pencil grips. We normally hold our pencil like this and draw. Try holding your pencil like this using your thumb and this forefinger. This way, as you can see, I'm getting a lot more variety in my lines. Here it's dark and it's gradually going lighter. Similarly, make these flowy lines. Again, next use the edge of the pencil and see the variations that you can get. Also, when we are holding pencil like this, we are using our whole wrist to move the pencil like this. As you can see, now my whole hand is in function. So try different pencil grips. You can do when you are making those larger shapes, you can try holding pencil like this, and when you want to focus on details or more precise lines, then you can start holding your pencil like this. Okay, so these exercises either you can do every day for some time, or you can just do them as warm up before you start drawing or sketching. Next, try to look for simple shapes in your subject. Try breaking down your subject. Try to draw simple objects around you using simple shapes. And do a lot of them. They're also fun to do and they don't take too much of time. Okay, next. Use pen or markers, mediums like these, which does not let you erase. So this way you become a lot more careful when you make a mark, because you know you cannot erase it. So try incorporating these pen sketches or marker sketches in your practice. This will help you in making quick decisions and also help in improving your observation. You can do simple line drawings like these. Next is observe works of your favorite artists or old masters. See how they use their lines, where they use darker lines, where they use light lines, where they use hard edges, soft edges. Do master studies and master copies of these old master sketches and paintings or drawings to learn and practice, of course. So these were some tips and exercises to get you started, and make sure you do these on a regular basis and it will definitely help you improve. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.